How do I read a control file? This is what we are going to learn today. What's up internet? I am Manish from rebellionwriter.com. Welcome back to the third tutorial in control file series. So without wasting much of your time, let's start and learn how to read the Oracle control file. Since the control file is a binary file, thus it's not directly accessible to us. In order to read its content, we need a way to decrypt it into a user-readable file. And there are two ways of doing that. Let's start with the first one, which is
Backup control file to trace. The easiest way to read a control file is to alter the database to back up the control file to trace, like this. Step 1. Connect with the database using sysuser. Step 2. Write alter database statement. On successful execution, this statement will create a user-readable version of the control file and save it into my D drive with the name trace_cf.txt. You can change this name and location according to your preference. Let's execute. Done. Let's check. Here I have the file in my D drive. If we open it, we will see the content of our control file written in simple English. And now you see what a control file in Oracle contains. Now let's check out the second way. The Oradebug utility. The second way to read a control file is through Oradebug utility of the Oracle database. Let me show you the process. Step 1. Connect with the database using sysuser. Clear the screen. Step 2. Debug the current process. Step 3. Set the size of the trace file to unlimited. By default, the size of the trace file is not set to unlimited. We have to do it manually. Step 4. Use the alter session statement to display the physical content of the control file. Execute. In the end, we need the name and location of the trace file into which the Oradebug utility saved the control file content, and we can find that like this. Execute. Here is the name of the trace file which has our desired content. Go ahead and check it out.
So that is how we read a control file in Oracle database. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, then give it a thumbs up and like it. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you soon with another tutorial on control file. Till then, take care. This is Manish from rebellionwriter.com.